Now you can learn professional spray painting and bodywork repair in 2 hours with step-by-step video training. It is an online course that teaches regular folks how to spray paint and do bodywork repair on automobiles like the professionals in a simple step-by-step format. The course uncovers all the tricks of the trade, workshop techniques for bodywork repair and spray painting secrets. Get a comprehensive, step-by-step course that leads you by the hand and reveals all the secrets of professional quality spray painting and bodywork. Get hours of professional bodywork repair training so you can do it like the workshop. You're about to learn secrets that most people will never know about spray painting and bodywork repair. Learn the trade secrets of a professional paint job with tons of time and money-saving tips. This step-by-step training DVDs will teach you all you need to know without paying expensive service cost again. If you are considering a new career or just want to save a fortune at the body shop, this course would be essential to you. Get instant access to the video course now. Click in the link in description. Thanks for watching.